Good morning, students, and welcome to another online life science classroom of St. Michaels Academy. Today, I am going to discuss glands of toad. So, there are two types of glands in a toad body. One is mucus gland and another one is poisonous gland. So, let's start the class. So, we are starting the glands of toad skin. The skin of toad, you can see the diagram. I am describing the diagram afterwards. The skin of toad is marked by the presence of numerous bumps or warts all over the dorsal body surface. You know, dorsal body surface means on the back of the body surface. These warts may be either due to underlying poison glands or sensory papillae. That means toads have lots of warts like structure on their body. Means bit like structure on their skin, dorsal side skin. This is due to presence of underlying, that means under the skin maybe there are some poison glands or sensory papillae. Papillae is also a rounded type of organ, small organ, generally present in tongue, but here they are talking about under the skin of the body of toad. Maybe there are some sensory papillae. Sensory means they are very like sense organ actually. They reacts. That means actually they want to tell that these words are due to poison glands or these papillae. That means the poisonous secretion of a gland. Either this is poison gland or this is any sensory papillae. There are two types of skin glands in toad. These are mucus gland secreting mucus and poison glands producing poison. The mucus glands, first of all, I'm telling what is mucus. Mucus is a jelly-like substance, whitish in color. It's a jelly-like fluidy substance, fluid actually. The mucus glands are smaller than the poison glands. The poison glands are composed of granular secretory cells. The skin glands usually lie in the stratum spongiosum of the dermis. You know stratum spongiosum of the dermis of the skin of toad. Already it has been discussed in my previous slide. So there generally this type of poison glands can be seen. And mucus glands, actually you can say that parotid glands, there actually parotid secretion happens. That means a white color fluidy substance is the parotid secretion. So this is a kind of mucus gland, you can say. But the poison glands may be more deeply located. That means the skin glands usually lie in the stratum spongiosum of the dermis. Suppose mucus gland usually lie in the stratum spongiosum portion of dermis of the skin of the toad. But poison glands may be more deeply located. These glands are unsheathed by connective and muscular tissue. Unsheathed means no covering is there. These glands don't have any covering. So by connective and muscular tissues which help in squeezing the secretory products. That means muscular tissue like you can say like pitchkari actually in Holi. They actually squeeze like this. They used to squeeze the secretory products. That means if the mucus is coming from a mucus gland or poison type of poison used to come from a poisonous gland. So this muscular tissue helps in that type of squeezing. The products of the gland come out through duct to the outside. So through duct, the products of the gland come out to the outside. That means outside of the body. See, actually poisonous gland is for the protection of toad. And mucus gland also kind of protection because of the presence of this mucus, actually because presence of this mucus, the toad's body becomes slippery. So these two glands actually for the protection of toad. Hope so you have understood. Don't worry. That's why I'm giving you small portion from your book. But then also, if you have not understood, in live class I'll discuss. But external structure, maximum students has told. So I'll give a brief idea on external structure and skin of toad in your next live or Zoom class. Okay, so read it and jot down the points and share this with me in my Zoom class. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.